Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. One of the things I've been reflecting on quite a lot this year, for obvious reasons, is the way in which the language of war has embedded itself quite so deeply in just general everyday English. And I was reminded of this again the other day when I was playing some music with my son. My son's just got his first electric guitar for Christmas and he's got a little practice amplifier. And on the amplifier you can choose a kind of clean setting or an overdriven setting which distorts the guitar and gives it a kind of dirty, fuzzy sound. And after this we were listening to this particular recording by a 1960s garage band called the Swamp Rats. You get the idea. It's got this incredibly sort of dirty, distorted guitar sound. And when the song finished, I said to him, "God, that song doesn't take any prisoners, does it?" I guess originally the idea of not taking prisoners must come from the horrors of war, where an army doesn't take prisoners because it kills the prisoners it comes into, the enemy soldiers or enemy combatants that it comes into contact with. In everyday speech, it basically just means that something is very, very uncompromising. It's very aggressive and it kills all comers. People often say about a sort of amazing piece of music, "Oh, that kills. It's a deadly piece of music. It kills all comers. It kills the competition." I guess that's how you get to become number one. It can also sometimes have the idea of trying to achieve your own goals in a way that doesn't take other people's feelings into consideration. So you might hear something like, "Yeah, he's a businessman with a take no prisoners attitude towards making deals." It's also often used about footballers. So if you've got a very kind of hard tackling, aggressive player who really hates losing and hates to see people go past them, they're often described as an uncompromising player who takes no prisoners. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might metaphorically use take no prisoners.